We're gonna do a little day in the life today. Going to a Porsche car show this morning. It's currently 7:30. I'm supposed to be going with my friend, but he didn't. He's not answering his phone, so I'm going to his apartment right now so I can bang on his door and see if he'll get up. But if not, then I'll just go by myself and look at some cool Porsches, show you guys, and then I'll just continue recording throughout the day, I guess. I have a Discord call later today with the free trading Discord, and then I'll probably work on my software a little bit as well. So let's see where the day takes us. But I'll probably pick up the recording again once I get to the actual car show. These guys, I waited fucking 30 minutes for them. Now we're 30 minutes late to the car meet. It's already 8:30. Started at 8, 30 minutes away. Classic. Wow. It's R8.
Nah, I got the
RS6. I don't really know much about the old Porsches. These are all old ones. Got some Mustangs. This is like a Porsche car meet.
That's sexy.
You see the GCR? NSX. Oh my god. Ow. Look at the rims. C8. I think this is a ZR1, bro. Or am I tripping? Z06, not a ZR1. Alright, so I'm back at home now. Alright, I'm back at home now, and after the car meet, I went to this like little, not really a thrift like pop-up. It's kind of like a clothing pop-up where they sell a lot of resellers sell a lot of clothes here in Sacramento. It's called like World's Worst or something, and I got some clothes. So I didn't record any of that. I completely forgot that I was vlogging today. And so I'll show you guys all of the grails, all the cops that I got from there. And I'll tell you, I spent a total of, I think like $110, and I got like around like 8 pieces of clothing or 9 pieces of clothing. So each piece of clothing was like 10, at most $20. And you guys see what they look like right now. And I actually didn't do my call with my Discord because I got caught up in the day. I wasn't even gonna go to the World's Worst, the clothing event, but I ended up, my friend just suggested that, it's today, and I said, it might as well. I haven't bought clothes in like a year or two, so yeah, it's my first time getting clothes in a while, so you guys will see what I got. All right, this is piece number 1. Nice little sky blue. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but this is it kind of looks gray, but this is a sky blue kind of washed out crew neck with the very, very beautiful wolf on it, and nothing on the back. But yeah, this is very nice right here. This was, I'm pretty sure this was $15. The guy wanted 20, bumped it down to 15 for me. And yep, after that we got this little sweater here. I've actually never worn anything like this. If you know me, I only wore t-shirts and sweatpants, so this is Definitely a new kind of style for me, but I do like tight fitted stuff, you know, as like a tall, skinnier kind of guy. Definitely like the tight fitting stuff a lot more, so this should be a pretty good fit for me. This is another one of those long sleeve kind of jacket things, another like tight fitted one. It's a black one with a gray design, Hurley. Thought it was pretty nice. Should fit pretty well. Got these nice baggy sweatpants, black of course. These should, you know, just normal black baggy sweatpants. They should fit pretty well. So like you guys can see what kind of material it is. I don't have any sweatpants like these, and I actually got a lot of this material. I think all the sweatpants I got today were this material. Then I got this nice polo crew neck. That is a black logo, so it's just, you know, white and black. That is my my go-to color scheme, so this is a pretty good fit for me. I also don't have any really crew necks like this. I feel like this is like kind of like business casual crew neck, so very good addition to the closet. This is another one of those long sleeve crew neck kind of things. I don't even really know what these kind of shirts are called, but another plain black one. Honestly, I don't really think I needed this one. But like I said, literally all of these were like $10, $15 each. I got some of them even down to $5. I got these baby blue track sweats. Same material as the other ones. Like I said, it's kind of hard to see the color on the camera, but these are also just baby blue. Hopefully they're kind of baggy sweatpants as well. Once again, some more baggy sweatpants. These ones are some Nike sweatpants. Very baggy. Same material. They got these bad boys. Nike sweatpants. Same material. I got these for $10, I think. So, very good cop for these baggy sweatpants. I got this shirt as well. It is very small. So, like I said, this is like a very new style for me. So I'll see how I like it. The whole kind of vision is, you know, like a tight top with a very baggy bottom. I think that'll, you know, fit my kind of build very well. So we'll see if I actually end up wearing this or not. We just got home. It's like 6:30 right now, p.m. And I think I left my apartment at like 7:30. So I've been out the house for like 11 hours and I'm running off of like 5 hours of sleep. So, and I have allergies, so that's probably why I look a little dead right now. But yeah, today was just a very packed day. I didn't get to do my call with my Discord. I'll probably do more calls throughout the week with them. Free Discord, of course. If you want to join that, you can join. I'll leave it linked down below. But I actually never showed you guys my new apartment, so I will do that right now. Give you guys a little apartment tour. All right, first things first. You got the trash bin, valet trash. Open the front door. Boom. Woo. Starting off, got the shoe rack with shoes that my dog tore up, of course. And we got a little storage area. Got some broken headphones, dog leash, dog food, cleaning essentials that need to be used. Dog number 1, dog number 2, dog bed, dog crate. Dog crate because that one outside is not trained, and if I leave her out all night, she will chew up more shoes and shit and piss all over the place. So she needs to be trained a little bit more. Then we have a TV stand, no couch, no sofa. We need to figure out where we're gonna put that furniture, because then we would have to move these two things, and we don't know where to put them yet. But we have the dining area, dining table, trash can, kitchen, nice little connected island, I guess you could call this. We have a few dishes, of course, and then stovetop, pretty dirty. Fridge, microwave came with the place, and we have a toaster oven as well. Pantry, got some I got this from Costco. This pho, it is absolutely horrible. If you see this, do not get that. Of course, you got rice, the essentials. Then we got washer and dryer. Any apartment that I live in, I need a washer and dryer in unit, so had to get that. Rice cooker, some rice. Then we head over here into the, oh wait, no, actually, let me show you guys the lab first. So this is the office, quote unquote. Got the desk, the station right here. The Odyssey, what you guys know about the Odyssey. Yeah, it's pretty much just my desk in here, whiteboard, and then all the clothes that I just showed you guys. I also have a closet in here. These are like all my coats, hoop shoes, hoop bag, basketball, and then more shoes. This is just like another storage unit with some jackets. These are like heavy coats and jackets hung up. And then if we go out here, show you guys this. This is the bathroom right here. Big ass bathroom, shower, 2 sinks, huge mirror, toilet. Toilet and trash can needs to be changed. Also like another little pantry area for all your bathroom stuff. And then finally we have the master bedroom. Bed is not made at all. I just threw the covers on so I can record this video. And yeah, we have a little, whatever that's called, mirror, a whole bunch of clothes right here. And this is our closet. Our closet is humongous. Here's my girlfriend's clothes, and then here's all my clothes, and then we have other clothes down there. But yeah, this closet is pretty huge. I don't know if you guys can tell how big it is just from the video, but it's like I can take like 1, 2, 3, 4. I can take like 6 steps in here to walk all the way to the back. So yeah, it's pretty big. And we have our bed, of course, but yeah, it's pretty much the apartment tour. You guys let me know what you think of this apartment. The total cost for living here is, I think the base rent is like, I think it's like 21. I think it might be 19 something's like 2,000, and then plus utilities and stuff, it's probably like 2,200 out here in Sacramento. So obviously Sacramento is going to be a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. I think it's worth it. You know, it looks nice. It's in a good area, so yeah, it's not too bad at all. But with that being said, I think I am going to cut the video here. Like I said, it's already 6:40 p.m., so it's not really much else to do with the rest of my day. I'm going to sit down, watch Game 7 of Pistons versus Cavs. That game should be phenomenal. And then get ready for the week, get ready for the trading week. So maybe I'll record a little bit of the trading week. Or I'll probably just update my Discord. I'll send some screenshots and stuff. So if you're curious about, you know, what I think about the week, what I think is gonna happen throughout the week, you can go ahead and join my Discord. Like I said, it's free in the description. And then yeah, Lucid is also running 50% off on all accounts. So if you're looking for a cheap account with a good firm, Lucid is currently doing 50% off. You can use my code BLAY, BLAY, if you want. If not, completely fine. But they are running 50% off, so make sure you check them out if you want a cheap funded account. You can also use code BLAY for other firms like My Funded Futures, Alpha Futures, Apex, and Tradeify. And yeah, or not. It's completely up to you. But with that being said, I will bring this video to an end. Stay tuned for more videos this week, and also join the Discord. Like I said, I'll be hosting weekly calls, probably 3 calls a week for completely free once again. So if you want to grow your knowledge on ICT concepts or just have a good trading community, feel free to join. But with that being said, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.